Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Minecraft Launcher is currently not available in your account. Chapter 1. Fix Minecraft Launcher is currently not available in your account setting region. To start, click on the Start menu. Click on Settings. Now go to the Time and Language section. Here, click on Date and Time. Next, confirm that the Set Time Automatically option is enabled. Then click Sync Now. Wait for it to finish. Then go to the Language and Region section. Here, check that the correct region is present. Chapter 2. Fix Minecraft Launcher is currently not available in your account with command. To start, in the search enter wsreset. Now, click on the command. Now wait for the command to be executed and the store to be opened. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. Fix Minecraft Launcher is currently not available in your account with the troubleshoot. To start, enter the word troubleshoot in the search. Click on Troubleshoot Other Problems. Here, validate if the WindowsStore option exists. If so, click Run. Chapter 4. Fix Minecraft Launcher is currently not available in your account updating Windows. To begin, click on the Start menu, then click on Settings. Now, go to Windows Update. Here, click on Check for Updates. Wait for the process to finish. Chapter 5. Fix Minecraft Launcher is currently not available in your account resetting the WindowsStore. To start, click on the Start menu, then click on Settings. Now go to Apps. Here, click on Installed Apps. Then, click on the Microsoft Store context menu. Click on Advanced Options. After this, click Reset. You must confirm this process. He hopes the store will be restored. Chapter 6. Fix Minecraft Launcher is currently not available in your account, clearing the local cache. To start, open File Explorer. Here, go to the path on the screen. Now select the local cache folder. Click Delete. Chapter 7. Fix Minecraft Launcher is currently not available in your account, checking the user. To get started, open the Windows Store and the Xbox app. After this, confirm that you are logged in with the same user in both applications. Chapter 8. Fix Minecraft Launcher is currently not available in your account from PowerShell. To start, enter PowerShell in the search. Click Run as administrator. Then, run the command on the screen. Press Enter. Chapter 9. Fix Minecraft Launcher is currently not available in your account reinstalling the store. To begin, in the search enter PowerShell. Click Run as administrator. Now, to uninstall the store, run the command on the screen. Then reinstall the store. Run the command in the console. Chapter 10. Fix Minecraft Launcher is currently not available in your account activating TLS. To start in the search, enter inetcpl.cpl. Click on the command. Then, go to the Advanced tab. Here, check all the available TLS boxes. Click Apply and OK. Chapter 11. Fix Minecraft Launcher is currently not available in your account changing the drive. To start, click Start, then click Settings. Now in System, click on Storage. Then click on Advanced Storage Settings. Here, select where new content is saved. After this, select the new drive where the apps are stored. Click Apply. Chapter 12. Fix Minecraft Launcher is currently not available in your account from Services. To start, enter Services in the search. Click on the utility. Now double-click on the Windows Update service. In Startup Type, set Automatic, then apply the changes. Then, double-click on Microsoft Store Install Service. In Startup Type, set Automatic, then apply the changes. After this, double-click on the Background Intelligent Transfer Service. In Startup Type, set Automatic. Click Start, then apply the changes. Then double-click on Xbox Accessory Management Service. Under Startup Type, select Automatic, click Start, then apply the changes. Chapter 13. Fix Minecraft Launcher is currently not available in your account from Tool. Go to the link we leave you in the video description. Here, click on Download in the section. Create Windows 11 installation media. Now run the file. When you accept the license, you must validate if there is the option to update the PC. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.